This video tutorial will show you how to install TurningPoint Technology software version 5.2. I have my browser open and I am just looking at the main UMBC site, and I'm going to navigate to the FAQ pages. So I'm going to leave the URL that's in the address bar, just add a /FAQ, and that'll take me directly to the FAQ site. Since the software downloads page has been viewed pretty frequently, it's been showing up in the most viewed, and you can click on this link, it'll take you there immediately. If you're not able to see the software downloads link from the most viewed column, you can easily type it in the searching articles section. Just type in download, and as a live search, as you can see, the first search result says software downloads, and that's the same page. So click on that and that'll take you to the downloads page. The TurningPoint Anywhere software is only available for faculty and staff, so go into the faculty and staff column, and because my screen display is a little smaller, I'm gonna scroll down, and TurningPoint Anywhere is the last option. You have several selections under the download section of this page. You can either install on your computer, either select the option that has no install, which means you can run it from a flash drive, or if you have a Mac computer, you can select the Mac install. For this tutorial, I'm going to select the PC install version, so I'm going to click on that link from the downloads page, and it's now asking me to log in. I'm just putting in my test account information and click login. And this is the security warning that you get when you're using Firefox. Just click continue from there, and as you can see, it's prompting you to save the file to download. So I'm going to click save the file, and it is going into my downloads folder. And as you can see from this Firefox version, it has the downloads counter on the top right hand. And we just want to wait for that to finish. And obviously, depending on how fast your internet connection is, will depend on how fast this will get done. Okay, once that's complete, you can click on this message and it'll show you in your downloads list, and just double click that file, and your operating system will ask if you want to make these changes. Obviously just click yes, and it's going to run the install. And again, the speed of installation will depend on how fast your computer is. And this is now the TurningPoint install wizard. Click next from this prompt and click on or read through the license agreement and select the option that applies to you and click next. This one's just telling you the path where it will be installing the files, and click next, and I'm going to click install to start the installation process. And again, the speed will depend on how fast your computer is. And I'm gonna click finish and close out of the downloads list. I'm just gonna minimize my browser, and as you can see, this is the new version of the TurningPoint application installed on your computer.